Sa ngalan ng patas na pamamahayag, nag-imbita tayo ng analyst sa kabilang panig.
Kung sa Bana, talo niya si Banat Bay at Sasot. Ito na ang ating resident AI analyst. Walang iba kundi si Jean Poo!
Shukran, Ronald and Lovely. Before everything else, I want to introduce myself. Ako si Jean Poo, a well-learned AI analyst with master's degree from Kennedy School of Government in Harvard University. Taray, di ba? Wala kasing budget itong programa ni Lamas at Granada para sa mga analyst. Kaya imbis na si Maring Winnie, ako na lang. I'm doing this pro bono, you know. Upakan ko kayo eh. Anyway, on to our topic, the rift between veteran Senator Kiko Pangilinan and neophyte Senator Robin Hood Padilla. Pambihira! Ano ba naman itong si Kiko? Bakit kailangan niyang sigawan si Senator Robin sa plenary hall? Never in the records of the Senate na bababasa mong may sinigawan si Robin. Anong tingin niya kay Binoy? Walang pinag-aralan? Artista lang? For your information, number 1 senator sa eleksyon noong 2022 si Robin. He was elected by more than 26 million Filipinos. Si Kiko, mahigit 15 million lang noong 2025. And those are the facts. So sa tingin nyo, 26 milyong Pilipino, mangmang? I don't think so. Senator Robby may have been a bad boy in the movies in his early life, but at least he was reformed. Hindi ito usapin ng pagiging weak. Usapin ito ng pangmamata na isang matalino at kagalang-galang na senador laban sa bagito at artista na hinalal ng mas nakakaraming Pilipino. Palibhasa, si Senator Robin ang totga o the one that got awi na Ate Shawi. That's insecurity to the highest levels. Now, you expect Robin to shake hands with you? Kahit sino, hindi makikipagkamay sa isang tao mababang tingin sa kanila. That's the problem with kakampings. You think everyone is beneath you. You want to educate everyone, kaya sa darating na eleksyon, I'm sure ulats na naman kayo. With all due respect, back to you, Ronald and Lovely.